My name is Naomi, I'm 8 years old, and I'm so glad you are here today. Here on my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. My summer camp got canceled this year, so we're going to be doing some summer camp treats at home. Today we're going to make pineapple pops. Here's what you need: sliced pineapples, cake pop sticks, chocolate chips, shredded coconut, and vanilla yogurt. First, open the can and drain out the liquid. Cover a baking tray with wax paper. Put your pineapple slices on the tray and then poke the sticks in. I found that when you just poke these sticks in, it will break the pineapple. But when you use something like a chopstick to poke it in first and make a hole, then you poke it in, it will work. So you should do that. It was actually really hard to get the sticks in, so you can leave them off if you're having trouble too. For the coconut ones, you're gonna open the bag and just sprinkle it on right now. Now you're gonna pop these in the freezer for a few hours until they're frozen solid. Our pineapple pops have been in the freezer for a few hours and now they're frozen solid. Use a spatula to unstick them from the paper. And look! If you want coconut, it's already done. If you want plain, it's already done. But we need to make other two flavors. For the yogurt one, we're just going to take one and dip it in. Ta-da! Now put this back in the freezer when you melt your chocolate chips, so that way the yogurt can freeze. Pour your chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl. Then you're going to microwave it for 30 seconds at low power. Give it a stir, then give it another 30 seconds. Keep putting it in for 30 seconds and stirring it until it's all melted. Now that the chocolate's melted, it's time to dip. Now that the chocolate is on, let's put it in the freezer so it all can set. After about an hour, they're all frozen and there's only one step left: to eat them! Pick your favorite one and take a bite. I'm going to try a yogurt one. The yogurt was really good, so I'm going to try a plain one. There you have it! Delicious pineapple pops. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye! And vanilla yogurt.